Hi, this is Tariq here from stockoptionexpert.com. Just wanted to show a few of our setups today. How I just want to cover here the power of unusual options volume. How can you flag big volume and then look at the technicals and then take a position in a stock, even if you are a stock or options players. I want to cover Facebook here. Facebook, if you look at it, the stock took a big dive here last 3 days here. If you look at it, it turned a bit bearish. But again, we started to see calls volume here right on this day on 29th. If you look here, it's on 29th. We started to see call volume here. This is when we alerted our members. This was our support level. If you look at this stock, if you look at the Fibonacci, this is where I have drawn Fibonacci level here. This is Fibonacci 50%, 38.2, 100%. So this was a Fibonacci support again. In any play, whenever we take a position, we just don't look randomly, just options flow. We try to make a sense with technicals, and for sure market has to be in your side. Otherwise, even if you take a long position and market is really weak, it might not work. Whatever, even if the options flow is bullish and market is in a downtrend, you cannot be long. Even if there is a big block buy, it can go lower. So this is when we started to see calls volume right here on this day, and this is when we call for support and a long call for our premium members here at this level around right around here at around 86 or so. And if you follow me any of the public account or something, this was even yesterday. It was in one of my public posts. Just for the proof purpose, I'm just going to show it. Yeah, we'll just cover it here. Facebook. Look at here. This is, if you look at the timing, if you look at the date here on September 30th at 10:09, it's not like I'm coming out on October 1st and then claiming it as calls volume. Look at here. On that day, I said the previous day we saw 24 hours ago this post, and this was all our alerts go to our premium members first. This is when we used to say there was one members took a bet that Facebook can hit 100 by January 16. It can go to 100. So this is when we started. This was on 30th, and we had this post on 29th for our premium members. This was from 24 hours. Look at what happened. 4,000 calls added. Look at the date on 30th. The post was on 29th. This is what happened. This was 30th. In fact, this is when the premium we started to see alert, and then look what happened following day on 30th. This has gone here, and then boom, here today nice support of 100-day moving average and nice bounce today. It bounced almost, if you look at it, low was 88.36 and then high was 90.14. So if it's more than $2 move, so even since we play our plays are most are short term because of the market nature, so these plays are more than 110% plus to a few of us, and this is a nice play. We are watching it next few days. Another big play was LNG. This is just huge. This one moved almost 3-4% here. If you look at this stock, I just want to draw a down line here. So this, I think it is trying to break this downtrend probably. If you look at it, and then hedge fund Ishan, he took a position in this stock. This stock is consolidating lower high, and then again the confirmation came from unusual options volume. I just show you here. If you look at LNG, what happened? Look on what happened. It's not today I'm mentioning. This is one of our value. On 30th, I said 7,200 calls. This is huge. And I said at the money, out of the money, 6,000 plus calls, and this was an institutional bet. Even I said it clearly that Ishan even has a position, and plus this was taken by any of the big hedge fund or someone. The size of the contract plus the fundamental and the market was holding, so we took a position, and this has moved huge today, big 4% move here, and this has played out really well for us. So keeping an eye on this one going into November, December. Another one is big one today. They came out with the earnings. MU. Micron Technology. It may not show you here that it is down, but after hour, I want to show in 5-minute chart, this stock is up 5%. So look at this. Market closed around 4 p.m. right? So this was 4 p.m. when market closed. Today we are October 1st, and the stock is up 5% after hour. It was at 1450. Now it is trading at 1580. It's almost up more than 5-6%. This is the power of unusual options volume. This is why this is 5 times unusual volume. This is what you want to trade if you're options trader. This is what we focus at. Look at here. We said it is not today. We are saying that with total volume 27,000 calls. That's 5,000 unusual calls volume we have flagged, which is probably another institutional entry. I saw many negative articles on this one. If you follow news and everything, there was negative articles, but again, big players, they always know ahead of the game. This one has really played out well, and it will pay to some of our members tomorrow. So I just want to go back to daily chart here, daily here. So keeping an eye. Also, this one had mini double bottom support. If you are a chart follower, look at it. You have to look at multiple things. You just cannot follow randomly options block. This is what I don't do. You cannot follow. There are 50 to 100 blocks trades every day. If you follow randomly all blocks, it does not work. You have to interpret it in the context of the market, pattern, chart, and most importantly, market. So keeping an eye on this one tomorrow. Also, there was today Baba acted bit weak here, but yesterday it has become nice 3-4% move here. If you look on today, yesterday, you see the low was 58.35 and high was 60 something. So we're keeping an eye on Baba as well. It seems like it is holding some sort of trend support here, Baba here, and we had a position on this one, Baba. Someone added a block of 2200 contracts, so we traded it yesterday, not today. Although still it was on watch list and support held. Keeping an eye on overall market. Market is everything in this year. Look, it's holding support. It has some horizontal support here, and then again today some horizontal support, and then we have to see how it plays out. We need to push through 193 and higher. If we could, then we may test 195. Yes, we saw an ugly September here, which is normally market is bearish overall on September. So this is what seasonal weakness was. We played mostly downside here, and here we had bit long side bias. Here I'm playing day-to-day short term, and this is you have to trade what market gives you rather than looking at too many things at once or too many articles or CNBC here. So we have to go through. We have to see how it plays out next 2-3 days. So this is what if you are one of our members today, this is what you got in the morning. This is live from our chat room in the morning. This is what we posted for our member. If you look at it, the first alert was, this is right straight from that chart. This was if you are one of the members, this is what you got this morning. This is how it played out right at open. Here we traded. You see at today's date, this is 1st October 9/28. we highlighted to our members LNG 17,000 calls traded. LNG alerted yesterday too. We took a position yesterday, and then INTC. I said INTC hitting some resistance here. NVDA we saw resistance. Upgo we alerted our folks here right at open 940. Here we am saying Facebook has some support here. Just to give you backup that how we Facebook had support at 940. This is when the stock was around here at 88.45, and then boom, we saw through the Facebook small calls. Okay, one of our members took it. Then move Micron. Look at here. This is what we said. Move October 17 calls buyer here. Earnings today. Earnings has raised. You can play small, and you saw moved for 6%. Then JCP we saw big huge put block. And then right at open, I saw a SPY put. I just want to show it. Right at 10 o'clock, I saw some SPY put for 2 days. And although SPY, I had no position today. A SPY, I said no play for today. It can be range bound. Look at what happened. SPY at open, we saw some put volume. Indeed, if you look at 5-minute chart, SPY did pull back to day low. This is what happened. SPY opened here. This is 1st October, and then it opened at 192.63, and then it pulled back right to 189.93. So almost like this was almost like a $2 pullback. This is when we started to see put. Remember here, this was the premium node at 10 o'clock. SPY seeing some put flow here. Although we had no play on SPY on that. It's just that just to notify our members on the net flow on the SPY. And then yeah, there was some support here. I had no position, and I saw some support around 192 around here, and then we got a nice bounce. So keeping an eye on Facebook and everything, it played out well, and let's see how it does tomorrow. So please share. Thank you.